Ever wonder about the physics of temperature? We're gonna unlock the secrets behind everyday heat and cold. So, let's start with a puzzle. Why does melting ice seem to totally defy the rules of heating? And get this, what does that have to do with why bridges need gaps to survive the summer? The answer connects them both, and it's gonna completely change how you think about temperature. So, first things first, temperature isn't what you think. It's just the average speed of tiny particles. It's that simple. Hot just means particles are zipping around. Cold means they're moving slowly. That's why a warm pool has way more total energy than a tiny, boiling cup of tea. So what's heat? Well, heat isn't a thing an object has. It's just energy on the move. Okay, so back to our ice. You add heat, but the energy is busy breaking bonds, not speeding things up. This hidden energy has a name: latent heat. It's why the temperature stalls while melting. Okay, so this brings us to materials that act like thermal batteries, soaking up tons of heat. Just think of water as a giant sponge. It absorbs a massive amount of energy before getting hotter. But sand, it's more like a tiny rock. It can't hold much, so its temperature spikes almost instantly. This property is called specific heat capacity. And yeah, look at that crazy difference between water and sand. And this is exactly how insulation works. Your jacket doesn't make heat, it just traps yours. Now, back to those particles. When they're cold and slow, they're packed together super tight. But heat them up, they start moving like a wild dance floor, and they need way more personal space. And that is thermal expansion. It's exactly why bridges need those gaps, to avoid buckling in the summer. So let's bring it all together. Temperature is motion, heat is energy transfer, and cold is just less heat. Here's a cool way to think about it. Temperature is the speed of the dance. So from now on, when something feels cold, you'll know it's just heat leaving your body. If you like this breakdown, check out our full playlist. The link is right there in the description.